Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Cody. Make a wish. Hey, happy birthday, 16 na siya, guys.
Ganda lang yun.
Yes.
Shoutout sa Wyatt Cakes for the cakes.
Ano masasabi mo sa cake mo?
Ang ganda. Unexpected din. Kala ko wala na akong cake.
Na-surprise siya, guys, kasi akala niya walang cake. Normal day lang kasi yung may pasok kasi yung birthday niya. Kaya Sunday namin ginanap ang celebration niya. Magla-lunch out kami.